I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Freepik'istic AI generator and signing in, then create a new project so work saves automatically. Once done, pick your output format and aspect ratio. This defines composition and cropping. Now gather 3 to 5 reference images and write a focused prompt with style, mood, and color notes. This reduces iteration. Make sure to select any relevant presets. They speed results and keep consistency with brand or client needs. You now focus on the prompt and generation settings because the machine matches words to pixels. Start with a subject line, then add modifiers like lighting, perspective, and material to control realism or stylization. Next, tweak creativity or temperature to allow variety versus predictability, and set detail and upscaling for final resolution. Once configured, run a few low-resolution tests to validate composition and colors. Iterate quickly until the thumbnail matches your vision. Before committing, you finish by inspecting the high-res render for artifacts and making small edits inside the editor, such as cropping, color adjustments, or background removal. Once satisfied, export with the right color profile and DPI and choose PNG or SVG for transparency or scalability. If outputs look off, try one key fix. Simplify the prompt, add clearer references, or lower creativity to reduce hallucinations. Finally, if the tool stalls, clear your browser cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.